So over here, you can see that I got a calendar, and let's say I want to add in some calendar elements to it. So let's say I do have an appointment, for example. Let's say on Monday, the appointment is going to be, let's say the subject is going to be birthday right here. All right, so someone got birthday on January 1st. So let me just drag this down just like that, and I want to add in birthday. So over here, you'll be able to see that there are a lot of icons that you can choose from that you want to add in. So over here, this is going to be birthday. Let me just click and drag it. There you go. That's the birthday icon. I can just scoot it over on to the right, use the arrow keys to arrange that out in place. So you can see that the birthday is there. You can also go over here. Let's say you have a meeting right here, for example. So you want to add in the meeting icon right here. And for the details itself, you can add in the appointment right here, just like that, and say this is going to be meeting right here. So this looks much more okay, and it looks much more consistent, as you can see right here. And let's say Tuesday is my important day, so I'm going to go over here and mark it important, just like that. So let's say this is going to be important. I can just increase the size of over here. So let's say I'm traveling by car over here, so just travel by car. So just bring in the car. You can increase the size of the car right here, and let's say this is the vacation right here, and this is going to be vacation. Control C, Control V, and there you go. That's the vacation right here. I can simply copy and paste the images right here. So let's say this week is my vacation week right here. Maybe celebration, just drag it in. You can see that there are a lot of things. So let's say attention right here. So you can see that there are a lot of icons which you can bring into the calendar so that you can make everything out. So that is how you can work with calendar elements inside of Microsoft Visio. Hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.